Hello. Yes.
Good morning, sir. Sir, let
Good
the
morning.
other student connect.
Okay.
Four of them have
And
connected.
4 of them have connected and the time is already there.
Shobna is coming. Shobna is there.
Shobna is there, but it's
Rashi, Shobna, Swapnishi has
Sapnishi has
also
also
joined.
joined.
Mhm.
Swapnish.
Video is not coming, na? My video is not coming.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. We can only see Rumna. So
Some maybe there is something in this setting. That's why. Now the video is coming.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Anyway, we can start the chapter of integrated marketing communication or marketing communication mix.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I hope you have gone through the chapter.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you have any
Yes, sir.
doubt, then you can ask, or else we can. Yeah, Bhushan, tell me.
Please.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah, in objectives of promotion, sir. Integrated marketing communication. Objectives of promotion.
In objective of promotion, right? So
Yes, sir.
let us instead before coming to the objective of
Point
communication.
build awareness, create interest.
So also, sir, consumer response model, sir.
Okay.
Identity.
Okay. That is one thing we will discuss. And what else you want?
Sir.
Initially, what is integrated marketing communication?
Yes, sir. The first one, that's topic only.
Right, the topic only. So let us start with the topic, that is integrated marketing communication or marketing communication. Now,
Yes, sir.
you have already studied the 3 P's of the 4 P's. That is product, we have already taught, price,
Yes, sir.
place. All these things we have discussed. Now we come
Yes,
to
sir.
4th P, that is promotion. Now, what is the basic meaning of promotion?
To make aware the
The
customer
aware-
about the
product awareness.
Okay. To make customer aware or anything else?
Brand of the product.
The basic objective of promotion is communication. Communication. Promotion means to communicate. So that's why if you look at the first slide, then it talks about the communication process. Right?
Yes, sir.
The first slide
Yes,
talks
sir.
about the communication process. Why we have put that slide of communication process? Because promotion talks about communication. There is some message which has to be transferred from the sender to the receiver. Now, who is sender here? The marketer is the sender, the advertiser is the
Yes,
sender, and the receiver is the consumer or end user.
consumer.
Right. So now that is the meaning of promotion. So when we talk about promotion, then what are the things which comes in your mind?
Sir, ads.
Okay, ad.
Advertisements and
Advertisements, posts,
Mm, mm, okay.
endorsement.
Okay.
banners.
Okay. So all these things comes to your mind. So when we talk about promotion, then it consists of various tools like advertising, sales promotion, public relation, publicity, direct marketing, personal selling, right? Basically, 5
Yes, sir.
things we have discussed. In promotion mix or communication mix, we have advertising, sales promotion, public relation or publicity, direct marketing, and personal selling. Apart from that, you have events and experiences, interactive marketing. So a combination of all these are known as integrated marketing communication. The combination of all these tools, since a marketer does not use a single tool like advertisement, a marketer uses a combination of all these tools. It can be sales promotion, advertising, public relation, publicity, direct marketing, social media marketing. This is all together it is known as integrated marketing communication. Integrated means what? Simply, integration means what? Anyone?
Correlating.
Okay, what else?
Combining.
Combining, जोड़ना, to add everything. So, so integrated marketing communication is what? It is a process which is designed in a such a way that all the brands are received by the customer or the prospect in a consistent manner. Marketing communication, when a company uses all the different tools. If you look at any company, for instance, take the case of Dairy Milk, Cadbury's Dairy Milk, it uses all the different tools of communication. Not only advertisement, it goes for sponsorship, it goes for social media marketing, all various tools it uses. Salespersons also promote its product. It is a combination of all the
स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं कर रहे
why
इसका
it
कोई
is
पीपीटी
called integrated marketing. Okay. So integrated marketing communication is clear.
हम तो आप जैसे बोले हैं ना रिकॉर्डिंग करने
Hello. Yes. So integrated marketing communication is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now is a combination of various tools, and in subsequent chapters we will discuss about advertisement. In another chapter we will discuss about sales promotion, then public relations and publicity, personal selling and direct marketing. These will be separate chapters. Today we are discussing about integrated marketing
Medani
communication as a
sir, 1 minute sir.
Yes, ma'am.
आपका शायद स्पीकर ऑन है इसलिए डबल हो
on है madam?
हाँ
What?
हाँ ठीक है अभी
What ma'am? Repeat हो रहा है ना ऑडियो?
हाँ रिपीट हो रहा है
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए बोले ना
क्यों?
सर आपका स्पीकर
हाँ?
ऑन है
सर
अभी-
पता नहीं नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगा फिर
स्पीकर ऑन है तो बिना स्पीकर के कैसे बोल रहे हैं?
हाँ वो तो बात सही है चलने
हाँ,
दीजिए होने दीजिए कैरी ऑन
अच्छा अभी तो ठीक लग रहा है.
हाँ अभी ठीक लग रहा है
सर अभी
हाँ.
वो नहीं हो
वीडियो सिर्फ नहीं आ रहा है पता नहीं.
ठीक है
वो नीचे ये होगा बटन उस शायद आपका कैमरा ऑन नहीं है
नहीं, उसको क्लिक किए हुए हैं ऑन किए हुए हैं बट स्टिल इट इज नॉट गोइंग.
वीडियो किसी का नहीं आ रहा.
एनीवे
सर आ
कंटिन्यू
गया
कीजिए
हाँ.
कंटिन्यू
अब
कीजिए
आ गया.
नहीं सर.
अब आ गया.
यस
हाँ,
हाँ
सर.
अब आ गया ठीक है सर
चलिए.
कंटिन्यू कीजिए
Okay, thank you. Right. So now coming to the objectives of promotion, which some of you have asked. What is the objective of communication? So, objective of communication. What are the objectives? It can be to build the brand. It can be to create interest for the product or services, or it can be to provide information to the customer. or to stimulate the demand. If the demand is not there, then how to increase the demand, or to reinforce the brand, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
these are the objectives of promotion.
Promotion.
Yes, sir.
Now, various objectives of promotion. We can also discuss certain cases of communication. I will take the case we call to explain these objectives. Okay. Now, we call as a brand which was years ago, and initially that mainly objectives. So the of animals adhesive. When Faber was launched, initially it was targeted to whom? It was targeted to the carpenters. It was not a household product. Fevicol was not a household product. It was targeted to the carpenters, interior decorators, or you can say, yes, designers, or the carpenters. All these things were the target audience of Fevicol. So when Fevicol created its advertisement, then what they did, they created a catalog or book which they distributed to the carpenters, which has various designs of furnitures, how to create furniture. And what was the core benefit which they highlighted through Fevicol? The core benefit was that this is the best adhesive. Fevicol is the best adhesive. At that time, they created a campaign called Dum Laga Ke Haisha. If you can recall earlier, it was Dum Laga Ke Haisha. So, and if you look at Fevicol, then over a period of 50, 60 years, how the brand has built, it has become a household name. How it has become a household name. Though it is mainly a product used by the carpenters or designers for furnitures and various other architects and interior designers. So, how this company was able to establish the brand in the minds of the consumer. So, build awareness. If you look at awareness, building awareness, then it is the first step. Any company which launches the product in the market, the task is to build awareness. If you look at Oreo, Oreo is a more than 100 years old brand, Cadbury Oreo biscuit, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
all of you are with me? Yes. So Oreo, when Oreo was launched in India in 2011, then what value proposition they highlighted in their communication or integrated marketing? They talked about moments of togetherness, that how together we can share happiness, and for that they used mother. They used and try to create the feeling that the warmth, the delight which mother provides to the kids, the children. So, in either in their hoardings, they use the term that is twist, kick, and dunk. These were the three things: twist, kick, and lung.
Like,
So that was the thing which they used either in the hoardings. They created Oreo quiz also. So if you look at the company's integrated marketing communication, then they use not only advertisement in the newspaper or television or radio, but they use overall various communication mix. They went on social media also. They try to create a bonding between father and son. Most of the Oreo ads try to create the bonding between father and son. So that was the thing which Oreo created, creating that thing in the mind. So then comes the step, or then comes the process of integrated marketing communication,
yes,
right?
sir. Yes,
So in
sir.
the process of integrated marketing communication, suppose you are asked to develop a plan for creating an integrated marketing communication which involves advertisement, public relation, direct selling, personal selling, direct marketing, sales promotion, all these things. So there are various steps. 8 steps are there, which we have discussed in this chapter, which we are going to discuss. All of you have gone through it. So let us one by one go through the various steps, right? Then
Yes,
we
sir.
will reach then we will reach the objective, hierarchy of objectives, all those things we will discuss. So first step is what? identify the target audience.
Audience.
The first step is identify the target audience. Means for
Yes.
whom this product is targeted. For whom this product is targeted. Like in case of Fevicol, the target audience were carpenters or the interior decorators or the contractors. The target audience were those. The target audience can be the current users of the product or the deciders. Like if you see the campaign of Dettol, be 100% sure. So Dettol soap, what communication highlighted? हाँ मने Dettol का धुला. If you look at the soap advertisement of Dettol, it says हाँ मने Dettol का धुला. Means who is the decider? Who is the influencer here?
Mother.
It is the mother. So here the target audience, the company is banking on the influencer, that is mother. She is decision maker in the family, right? So she will influence. And similarly, there is a classic case of Vicks VapoRub. When Vicks VapoRub was launched, then before there were syrup-based solutions for kids who are suffering from cough and cold. But what was the problem in the minds of the mother? That if it is a newborn baby or if it is an infant or a small boy or girl, then how we can use that liquid? It will go inside. So there is some hesitation in the minds of the mothers. So then they launched paper, which can be applied externally, right? So there also the target audience is the decider or the influencer, that is the mother. So first step is identify the target audience. Who are the target audience, right? This is clear. Who are the target audience?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So target audience can be the existing users or the new users or the deciders. मेरी को होने लगा. Then if you look at the PPT, there is an ad of Amazon which talks about business बढ़ाने के लिए use करें. It means who are the target audience here? Have this Amazon tag.
Businessman.
Businessmen sellers who are selling their product, and Amazon provides them a platform for selling their product. So there the target audience are the resellers, sellers, not the individual household writers. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Then when we come to determining the communication object. What objective this is going to be communicated through this integrated marketing communication mix, advertising or any other. Whether this is going to highlight about the category need. Category need is like how hand sanitizer came in India. Earlier, hand sanitizer were used only by doctors. But because of swine flu which has come there, this sanitizer has come up, and during this COVID-19, they are saying that it has become a scarce commodity. So creating a need that this is a product which is needed. So the communication objective will be creating that category need. If you look at the advertisement like mutual fund sahi hai, in that ad, is there one product or one service? It talks about overall mutual fund. It is about creating the need that mutual fund is a good tool for making investment. Okay. So,
Sir.
okay. So in that case, the category need, they are talking about creating the need for the category. Similarly, buyer readiness stage, whether the buyer is ready or not. In that connection, we will discuss about the various steps in the coming few minutes. That is, whether the buyer are aware. If they are aware, then whether they have knowledge or not. Whether they are listening or not. So all those steps we will cover up, right? Third tip would be brand awareness. Brand awareness, whether the customers are aware about the brands or not. Then what does brand awareness means? Brand awareness means that the customer is able to recall or recognize the brand. These are two things: recall and recognize. Recall means that you can remember seeing product in the store or shop. You remember a product called Sweet. Then I use this. So that is recall without seeing the advertisement. So ultimate objective of the brand is that
Hello.
you should be able to recall the brand in your mind, right? And
Sir,
recognize means
मैं
by
अभी
seeing the
में
package.
अभी
Being
रूम
seeing
ना
the product in the store, you
हाँ,
can
मैं तुरंत
recognize.
अभी उसी लिंक से
This is the product. This is the hair oil. This is the shampoo which
हाँ हाँ
can
हाँ उसी
remove
से
dandruff. That is recognize or recall. Okay.
हाँ 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 ये एमबीए वाले में कुछ हल्का सा आपको लग रहा है नेटवर्क
That is
प्रॉब्लम है क्योंकि
objective.
अच्छा
कौन है?
सर शिव
हाँ,
शिव
कौन है?
शंकर
हेलो.
शिव शंकर सर थोड़ा एंट्री किए हैं
हाँ
आप
हाँ हाँ
आप कब पढ़ाते जाइए सर
नहीं मैं
कौन बात कर रहे हैं? हेलो.
स्नैपशॉट ले लिया
कौन
सर
बात कर रहे हैं? हेलो.
हाँ सर शिव शंकर सर बात कर रहे हैं शिव शंकर
वो
सर
सर हेडफोन
म्यूट
नहीं
कीजिए.
कर रहा स्पीकर से कर रहा हूँ क्या किया जाए
हाँ, राइट. तो नाउ
हाँ
हाँ,
हाँ, वो रहता है उसने
so now let us move to model of consumer response. This is what we want to study, right? Model of consumer response.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
How to reach to the last product that is purchased.
कुछ नहीं है
Shankar Shukla sir.
मैंने उनको भेजा मैं
सर उनकी आवाज ज्यादा आ रही है, आपकी आवाज
Yes,
कम
sir.
आ रही है।
वो
हाँ.
ठीक है भेज दीजिएगा या फिर एक काम
शुक्ला सर किसी से बात कर रहे हो
What is this?
सर उनको
Shukla
म्यूट
sir?
करने के लिए बोलिए. सर वो म्यूट करते
वही
हैं.
तो समझ नहीं रहे हैं वो. वीडियो ऑन कर दिए हैं और घूम टहल रहे हैं.
बस
टेक्नोलॉजी है.
डिजास्टर है।
ओके हम कॉल करते
यस.
ठीक है आप भेज दीजिएगा मैं उस पर फिलअप करके उनको भेज ठीक है सर एमबीए वाले में मैं घुस गया हूँ सर मैं इसका स्नैपशॉट ठीक चलिए
घुस तो गए हैं सर, लेकिन बात मत कीजिए ना.
He is not getting your voice, sir. I think.
Your
He is
voice
in the
is coming
phone now.
through. Your voice is coming.
सर
Anyway,
मॉडल ऑफ कंज्यूमर रिस्पॉन्स
model of consumer response.
sir.
So there are three stages basically: cognitive,
Yes, sir.
affective, and behavior. Now, what does this mean?
Yes, sir.
Cognitive or cognition means
हाँ सर
understanding, which comes from where?
दूसरे तो
Which
डिस्टर्बेंस हो
comes
रहा था
from
इसलिए
your
कुछ
knowledge,
खास बात है क्या
awareness.
हाँ
So cognitive means when your belief is formed.
हाँ
The Chinese product is packed food are
अच्छा
not good
सेंटर
for
हो गया
health.
हमारे से हाँ ठीक है
How does
ठीक
awareness come? By studying, by knowledge, by getting awareness that this brand is good, this mobile phone is bad, packed food is not good for health. All these comes through your knowledge or understanding attention. So first stage is cognitive stage. Second is affective. Affective means your liking. You start liking a product. You develop preference for that product. And then comes the conviction that, okay, I go for this US brand product. or I will buy only Indian product or a multinational product. So there are different stages to the hierarchy of effects model, which talks about awareness, knowledge, liking, preference, conviction, and purchase. These are the various steps which a marketer wants to travel. It wants to reach from awareness to purchase level, that is action level. Whether you have awareness for that product or not, do you have knowledge for that product or not? So the first task for the brand would be to create awareness or to impart knowledge in your mind, right? So that is the cognitive stage, which talks about building awareness and imparting knowledge in your mind. Like I talked about creating awareness that we should wash hands for at least 20 seconds. That is now that is the awareness, that is the knowledge which is imparted by various communications in our mind. So that is first stage. Then if the marketer finds that there is awareness and knowledge in the mind of the target customer, then next to create liking for that product or preference for the product. So how does liking or preference can come? The marketer can do for creating liking. Liking means whether you like the brand or not, what you feel about the brand. Nowadays, because of social media and other various things, the companies have created various pages where you can like or share your emotions about the brand. You start liking the product. Then comes preference. Preference means you will prefer this brand over other. In case of say toothpaste, customers are preferring the Ayurvedic based brands over the cosmetics brand. So whether that preference is there or not in the minds of the customer. How the preference will be built? Certainly, why a customer will switch from one brand to another, or why it will prefer. It will be preferable by customer on the basis of product quality. What are the features? The customer will compare a brand with various other brands. It will see the performance. When we talk about, say, overall Indian customers in terms of purchasing pattern for automobiles, the preference is for Maruti car. The reason is because all are talking about how much mileage it gives. So preference for mileage may be an important factor. Now, if I am other brand less like Hyundai or MG Motors, I need to create preference for different other things. Not like only Maruti car is sold. Some customer may prefer luxury. Some customers may prefer the safety features. That's why we see expensive products, luxurious cars, Volvo and other cars, German cars, where the preference is for luxury, safety. So there the preference is different. If preference is there, then second thing is conviction. Whether you are convinced to purchase that product or not. Conviction comes from how the brand is portrayed in the communication. For that, the company may use a strong personality like celebrity who talks about the benefits of the brand and with whom you can relate. And because Amitabh Bachchan is saying that this is good, you may feel that okay, I should try the product. So that is conviction. And then finally comes the purchase. Purchase is what when you are ready to sign the check or when you are making the payment. That stage also the role of marketer is to convince you, to make sure that at the last moment you don't turn up your mind that okay, I will not purchase. That's why there are EMI options, buy now, pay later. All these options are why? Because to make the last moment purchase happen, giving some offers, giving some discounts at that. So that is the hierarchy of effects model, right? Which talks about creating either awareness or knowledge, which is a part of our cognitive stage. Then creating liking for the product. Once liking is there, creating preference for that product, then conviction, and finally the purchase. So a brand has to see that in which state it is there in the market and what is the current objective, right? Similarly, you will see that there are Based on these models, there can be variation in this also, these steps. It is not always in the same pattern. Like learn, feel, do. Learn means cognitive ability. Feel means affective ability, right? And behavioral, that is action. So learn, feel, it varies upon products to products also, right? Say for instance, if you are purchasing a highly expensive product, then or say you are purchasing expensive car, or you are purchasing an expensive flat or house, then in that case, you first of all will have cognition. That is, you will learn about the brand. Okay, what is the features? What is the price? You will see the reviews of the brand in the market. So that is learn. Then once you do the learning, then you will start feeling okay. Your attitude will change towards that product. That okay, in the market only Maruti is not there. Other brands are available. Then you start feeling positive about that brand. Your mood will be uplifted, and finally, do. Do means you take action. That is, you purchase the product. Learn, feel, do. So it will vary. For instance, if you are purchasing a biscuit, then in that case, first you will do what? First you will buy. That is, behavioral action will be there. When there is a low involvement product, like a biscuit or a salt or a say pencil battery, then first of all, what you do? You purchase the product. That is do. Right. First you do. Then on the basis of your usage, you start feeling good about that product. That, okay, this biscuit is good. And then finally, on that basis, you in your mind, a cognition is developed that okay, this biscuit has different qualities. This it is maida free, so I should always purchase this. So this step of learn, feel, do varies depending upon product. So marketer task is to plan the right sequence. What would be the right sequence? Like how many made the comeback? If you look at what has happened in 2015 June, because of lead, Maggie was banned in the market,
Lead.
and it has to make a comeback. So how did it make the comeback? Because of its creative strategy. They created hashtag with I miss my Maggie. So they started creating a
Emotion.
feeling. That is feeling. They created stating emotional things. That I miss my Maggie, I miss those days. So then by November they relaunched the product. So we will discuss further about this in the coming seconds or minutes. So is it this hierarchy of model?
Yes,
Anyone?
sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
तो ये hierarchy of effects model जो है ये एक this is a kind of how to reach to the purchase step of the customer. How a customer makes purchase decision. So what is the level of awareness? What is the knowledge level? Whether he is liking the product or not. So in every step, the marketer has to make the customer climb up that and reach to purchase. Okay. So then comes the message strategy, right? Then comes the message strategy where the aim of the company is to highlight some appeals or themes, right? There can be various appeals like rational appeals. In advertisement, we will discuss in detail rational appeals, human appeals, fear appeals. All these we will discuss in detail in advertisement. But rational appeals, for example, Surf Excel claims daag achhe hain. How can be a daag? But they talk of that is the rational appeal that we will help you in cleaning this stain, right? Five-star talks about sensory appeal. How or kho jao. When you eat five-star, don't think anything else. So that is about sensory appeal. Then you have got Kurkure, which talks about how to spend time with family. That is about social appeal. So the message strategy has talks about what areas the company is going to promote in the market. Like we take the case of Bisleri. Right now there are more than 5,000 brands of mineral water, but everyone knows Bisleri, right? And the classic advertisement of that camel thing where they talks about Bisleri nahi to aur kuch nahi. Pani means Bisleri. Bottled water means Bisleri. So the company highlights about the bottled mineral water is Bisleri only. So that image it creates in the minds of the customers. And when how Big Bazaar talks about हर दिन सबसे lowest price और Reliance Smart talks about सबसे सस्ता दिन. So that is about the creative strategy, and creative strategy also revolves around how effective the communication can be. What communication the company is going to tell in the advertisement, whether it is a information based, whether the company is talking about information or what different. If you recall the communication made by various deodorants companies before this fog and other thing, it talked only about the quality of the scent, but another feature which fog highlighted was the number of sprays. In the communication strategy, it talked about the information that how that this is important for a customer, number of sprays, no gas, right? That is also there. If you look at the case of the classic case of this versus quality was ice cream. They went to court also. How was the creative strategy? The creative strategy of Amul ice cream was to inform the customer that don't eat frozen dessert. Eat
Yes, sir.
ice cream from milk-based product. Now this thing for the last several years, Quality Walls used to write on its packaging that this is made
Dessert.
from Vanaspati ghee. Vanaspati. This Vanaspati is man-made. It is not natural. When Amul came with advertisement which highlighted that don't eat frozen dessert because it highlighted important thing which was ignored by the customer. Amul highlighted that our ice creams are made from cream which is extracted from milk. So it is more pure. So that created awareness in the minds of customers, and then the company went to the court also, and they had to write that, yes, our product is made from frozen dessert. This is what the creative strategy is all about. Creative strategy. In creative strategy, the company may talk about some transformational appeal, which is not related to the product immediately. Like say Mentos, दिमाग की बत्ती जलाए. It is not related with any product benefit, right? So it talks about transformational appeal. Royal Enfield, like God. These are transformational appeal. Mountain Dew, right? You drink Mountain Dew and you can do any adventurous activity. So the company tries to create a transformational feeling in the minds of the customer, or they may highlight something else. Right now, if you look at the advertisement of Dettol or Lifebuoy, they are saying that you can wash hand using any detergent, any soap or liquid, not only Lifebuoy or Dettol. They are talking about overall, although they are highlighting Lifebuoy or Dettol, but they are saying that you can wash your hands for 20 seconds using any of the soaps or liquid. So that is about the transformational appeals. Then there is message source. Yes.
What is it transformational fairness
Which
cream?
one? Which
Fairness cream.
fairness cream? Fairness cream. Fairness creams also talk about the directly benefit. Initially, when
You'll get success.
Fair and Lovely, they started advertisement that Gora banaye hafton mein. So it is talking about rational benefit, but they were criticized for that. That how can you say that using cream you can you are trying to create a difference between fair and not so fair people. So then they started talking about confidence. using this cream,
Also, they talk about the
I gain
success.
confidence. So that is, they talked about success, so which is not directly related to product. Certainly,
Fair.
Fair and Lovely लगा के कोई एयर होस्टेस अब I mean commentator या कुछ ऐसे फील्ड में नहीं जा सकता है. So they try to transform you. Most of the advertisement are based on emotional or transformational appeal, not rational benefit, because rational benefit can be easily copied. If one product is that गुड नाइट जो है वही सबसे जल्दी फास्ट मच्छर को भगाता है, तो it will also say the same. So what else you can claim? You can say that how by using good night my childs are protected and they can study well. So all these things are there. Then you have, so this till this point it is clear. Then comes
Yes, sir.
Yes.
the message source. Once you decide the creative strategy, message strategy, then first was the objective, then there is message source. Message source should be credible, trustworthy, whom you can rely upon. So that's why celebrity uses celebrity endorsement is that's why very popular and very simple to use for the company. So they are spending lots of money on that, but that is very easy tool because you can not only they create high attention, but there is recall value also. Okay, seeing
Easily
Amitabh
relatable.
Bachchan endorsing this product, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni. So likability is also there. If you like MS Dhoni, so the product which endorses you will like that also. Similarly, how Amitabh Bachchan was used where was the Cadbury debacle. Bombs were found in Cadbury. So Amitabh Bachchan was used for making clear that the company, how the company has changed the packaging. Similarly, in case of pesticide has formed in Coca-Cola,
Yes.
the company has used Amir Khan to explain that why this product is good. So message source has to be from a credible one, likability. Nowadays, because of social media also, you will find social media influencers also who are there who talk about technical guruji. He talks about why this brand of mobile is good. So that is also a source of message. That is personal source. We will discuss about that also. Then selecting the communication channel. Which communication channel the company will select? Right. Here communication channels means medium. Whether it will be personal medium or non-personal medium. Whether it will be social media, Facebook, Twitter, or the sales people, like how Eureka folks communicate to the customer using their sales people, that is advocates. And then there are experts, market experts, to the one. He talks about automobiles. And I discussed about various technical guruji or Aigyan, who they are the experts in mobile phones. They talk about mobile. That is personal communication channel. Then there are your social channel also, family, friends, relatives, all are your social channels. So company has to think whether to go for personal communication channel or non-personal communication. Sometimes the company tries to create viral marketing or buzz marketing, trending on hashtag. There are various messages which keeps trending on social media. So buzz marketing is a kind of viral marketing technique where the aim is to create a buzz for the brand or the product. Like I discussed how Maggie made a comeback. Maggie used social media to make a comeback. It created "We Miss You" campaign. I love my Maggie. All those things were created and they launched in on Snapdeal. Initially, first time they launched when they made the comeback, the Maggie was sold through Snapdeal. They use social media, so creating viral, creating buzz. So hashtag, trending, all these are activities which are very popular on social media. So the company can create buzz when they are launching the product. So that is part of buzz marketing. Then there are personal communication channels also, like print media, electronic media, broadcast
Newspapers.
media, newspapers, right? So all these non-personal channels are paid. The company has to pay for print media, for giving advertisement in newspapers or magazines, radio and television. They have to pay for that. That is about non-personal channels of communication. there can be sales promotion also, which we will be discussing in the subsequent chapters. Company giving free coupons, samples, discounts, premiums, all these are part of sales promotion. Then the company can go for events, organizing some events, sponsoring some events that the company can use. So here in case of integrated marketing communication, the company does not use only one medium of promotion tool. They can use advertisement, personal selling, public relation, publicity, sales promotion, direct marketing, social media marketing, a combination of all. So company uses a combination of all. Fevicol has Fevicol Champions Club, where they every year they organize this Champions Club. This is a kind of event which is created for carpenters or other users like architects, designers. So that is for them. It is a integration of all those things, right? Then what else you want to ask? Because or we can continue in the next class. हाँ बोलो.
Continue with the next class, sir.
We'll
ठीक है, तो
continue
कोई
in the
time
next class, sir.
Okay, okay. Meanwhile, if you have any doubt, you can write mail or send here also. Okay.
Okay,
So
Okay, sir. Thank you so
right.
much.
So basically, yes. Thank you.
Thank you,
Just
sir.
after 5 minutes, you re-log in. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm disconnecting. Arvind? Arvind, sir?